Good day mga loads. So ito ngayon mga loads ngayon is magra-ride tayo ng hapon kasama si paring Darwin. Ayun. So kami dalawa lang guys. At papunta kami ng Buog. Ayun guys. So mukhang mayroong malaking ulan guys na paparating.
So yun guys. Kala namin bubuhos na yung ulan. Kasama natin guys si paring Darwin. Guys, malayo-layo pa yung puntahan namin guys. Boundary kami ng Cebu guys sa Kasur. As always guys, the sweetest coffee in town, Arnel's Cafe. Yeah. Good afternoon guys. What mi ka dayon? Bale hindi kami natuloy guys kasi malakas yung ulan guys.
Nag-juice na lang kami na.
So, kita nyo naman guys no, na pasiling yung mga kuha natin guys. Pero na-juice na kami guys.
Juice na.
Ni paring Darwin, juice kami. Siyempre, saan pagaling yan guys? Siyempre, sa Arnel's Cafe pa rin yan. So, the sweetest coffee in town guys. At meron din silang cocktail dito. Di ba pre?
Lami kayo!
Cheap lang pero the best. Parang nasa Boracay ka na guys. Yeah! Nice.
And so yun na guys, at nabutan kami ng dilim guys. So malakas pa rin ng ulan guys, kaya patugulayin lang kami sa pag-inom ng cocktail. Mura na at masarap pa. So yun guys, kitang-kita naman guys na napakalakas ng ulan guys, pero chill na chill pa rin yung area.
Good eve. Yes, as always, Arnel's Cafe. Yeah. So guys, Boss Arnel,
Andrea,
yummy
vitamins.
yummy cocktail guys. So if you want a smooth cocktail in town, visit Arnel's Cafe.
Okay.
Arnel's Cafe guys. Yes. Barato kay guys. Muna na nasa Boracay. Yeah, pre. Goods. So guys, muli nimi guys, and salamat sa pagkuyo guys sa atong vlog karon. Medyo rainy ang night. So, thank you. Guys, good evening. Literal na ride with paring Darwin. Yeah. So going back to our place. So salamat sa pagsama guys, pero yes guys, it's exactly 8 PM in the evening and we're still biking, cycling with paring Darwin. So check it out guys. Yeah guys, it's paring Darwin guys. Yes, what an experience guys. First time niya na mag night ride guys. So thankful na we've survived the day kasi masyado maulan guys. So ngayon na kami nakalabas after the rain. Sinampakalakas ng ulan guys. Yeah. Pre, first time? First time.
Night
Yeah.
ride.
Night ride guys.
First time, night ride.
Yeah.
Felt so good.
So good. Yeah. So ito yung daan namin guys. Pauwi. Uy, ambulansya. Ano to? Ambulansya o PNP? PNP guys. So thank you so much sa mga tropa natin na PNP na laging nagbabantay sa ating seguridad. Salute all. Ayun si Parin Darwin guys. Ito yung daan namin guys, pauwi every night. Kung mag-night ride kami guys. Salamat sa pagsama. So hati natin si Parin Darwin guys ha. So join me. Nice guys, night ride namin sa Diplahan guys. So dark. Yes, you've seen Parin Darwin there. May baong lights. Kailangan kasi napakadilim guys. Napakadilim na ang daanan namin guys ngayon guys. Punta ng sentro ng Diplahan. Okay. Napakadilim guys, napakadilim.
Madilim pa sa madilim.
Madilim pa sana madilim. Yes.
Madilim pa sa madilim.
Yes guys, that's Parin Darwin guys. So Diplahan guys. It's our ride. So salamat guys sa safe na ride for tonight. Blinking pa rin yung lights nito Parin Darwin guys. Ganito kadilim guys yung Diplahan.